Hey guys, Happy New Year. To start off the new year right, we're going to eat nutritious and healthy dishes. So I will be presenting to you today two dishes that are going to be spectacular, homemade. And they are Kung Pao chicken with peanuts, with peppers and onions, garlic, fresh ginger, Shaoxing wine, thin soy sauce, stevia monk fruit, which is a natural sweetener instead of the Sweet and Low and Splendor and NutraSweet. It's good for you. White pepper, and a dash of sesame oil, all sauteed together to create a delicious dish. I'm going to show it to you. The second dish is, if you never had it, is Chinese broccoli stir-fried with oyster sauce, sesame oil, white pepper, and a dash of thin soy sauce. And this is cooked al dente. In other words, we are cooking the vegetables in a new approach for 2026. That approach is, once we obtain the color of emerald green, that means that it's al dente. I can't go through individual measurements for different types of vegetables with different thicknesses or how leafy a vegetable is. The safeguard here is, if it turns emerald green color, and that's the key word, emerald green, take it out, plunge it in cold water, stop the cooking process, and then stir fry it with a little sesame oil, a little oyster sauce, a little white pepper, about the same ingredients that I added to the Kung Pao chicken, and stir fry it. Now with the Kung Pao chicken, I added some bird's eye peppers, red, right? A little sriracha, and a little monk fruit, okay? So it balances the spicy and the sweet. And here they are. Notice I used chicken thighs, boneless chicken thighs, and I used orange pepper, white onion, regular peanuts, and here is the Chinese broccoli. In this case, the stems are delicious, the leaves are very nutritious, and overall the flavor is perfect. And this is an overview. I'm obviously not going to eat everything, but you take your portions, bring it for lunch over a bed of white rice, and you got a meal in itself. And you saved about $10. So with things going crazy, I'm going to try to save you a couple of dollars. And you could do it yourself. Not a problem. All right, so hang in there. And remember my motto, Chef Who Can, you can too. And I say aloha for a bright and peaceful 2026. Okay? Take care.